Daniel Harold Rolling, also known as the Gainesville Ripper, was an American serial killer who murdered 5 students in Gainesville, Florida, over 4 days in late August 1990. Rolling later confessed to raping several of his victims, committing a triple homicide in Shreveport, Louisiana, and attempting to murder his father in May 1990. In total, Rolling confessed to killing 8 people. Rolling was sentenced to death for the 5 Gainesville murders in 1994. He was executed by lethal injection in 2006. Danny Rolling was born in Shreveport, Louisiana. His father was a Shreveport police officer named James Rolling, who told Danny that he was unwanted from birth and who abused his mother, Claudia, and his brother, Kevin. In one incident, Danny's mother went to the hospital after claiming her husband tried to make her cut herself with a razor blade. She made repeated attempts to leave her husband but always returned. In one example of the senior Rolling's sense of discipline, he pinned Danny to the ground, handcuffed him, then had police take his son away because he was embarrassed by him. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.